Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to discuss about 2014 Set A IMO question paper for class 3 students. I have already uploaded some other IEO, NSO and IMO question papers for class 3 students. You please go to the playlist in Students Reference and click Olympiad class 3 to get these question papers. First, I will show you the full question paper. You try to answer it on your own. I will attach the answer key at the end of this video. After reading the questions, you please pause the video and take your own time to answer the questions. First topic is logical reasoning. 1. Find the odd one out. You look at the given pictures and try to find out the odd one. The odd one out is D. Because if we count these lines, that is equal to 7, but in other three options the value is 6. 2. How many triangles are there in the given figure? This is the given figure. You try to find out the answer. We can count the triangles in an easy way, and this has 8 triangles. Okay, so in a square 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 and this diagonal makes 2 triangles. Okay, so 6 and this makes 2. So 8. So totally 8. This 8 plus this 8 is 16. Okay, and next this small square has 2 triangles and this big square has 2 triangles. Likewise here also 2, 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4. And here take this one, this and this triangle. Okay, so it has 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 plus 4 is totally 14. Okay, next this triangle, this one triangle, this one plus this one. 1 plus 1 is 2. So totally 32 triangles are given here. So the answer is D, 32. 3. Which box is the heaviest? You look at the given picture and try to find out the answer. We know in any balance, the object in the lower side is heaviest and the object in the upper side is lightest. Our question is which box is the heaviest? And in these figures, which one is always in the lowest side? This one. So this is the heaviest. So the answer is D. And this box never appears in the upper side. Okay, you have to note down that also. 4. Which of the following options show the mirror image of figure X if the mirror is placed along MN? This is figure X, this is MN. You try to find out the answer. What is a mirror image? In a mirror image, the left and right sides are interchanged. Okay, so first we consider this one. Okay, and in mirror image there is no change in top and bottom. Okay, and here top and bottom are interchanged. So this is the wrong answer. And in D, C appears as it is. So this also wrong. Okay. So these two may be the correct answer. So and in this case 7 appears as it is. So this also wrong. So the correct answer is B. 5. Which figure comes next in the given figure pattern? This is the given figure pattern. You try to find out the answer. So if you look at the given figure pattern, so this triangle, here it's 1, it's 2, it's 1 here and it's 2 here. So it's 1 here. Okay. If you look at the circles, it is reduced by 1. So here the number of circles are 3. So here the number of circles 2. Okay. So the correct answer is C. 6. Observe the given figure carefully and answer the question based on it. If soldier F and L interchange their positions, then who is third to left of F? This is left side and this is right side. You try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, first we have to interchange F and L. So here it's L and here it's F. And our question is, who is third to the left of F? So this is left side. First, second, third. So the answer is B. So A is the answer. 7. Find the word that cannot be formed from the letters of the given word. So the given word is intelligence. You try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we have to check each and every options. First option A and C is available. A is not given in intelligence. So the answer is A. Cancel cannot be formed from the letters of the given word. 8. Which of the following shapes is not present in the given figure? This is the given figure. You read the options and try to find out the answer. So the answer is B, square. Square is not given here. 9. Find the missing number which will replace the question mark. You look at the given figures and try to find out the relationship and try to find out the answer. How to find out this answer? So first we have to try to find out the relation between these numbers. Okay. And in this case, if we add 6 plus 3, that is equal to 9. Likewise, if we add 5 plus 4, that is equal to 9. Okay. So here 2 plus 2 is 4 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have to follow the same relationship here. 7 plus 4 is 11 and 5 plus 6 is 11. So the answer is D, 11. 10. If desk is called chair, chair is called blackboard, blackboard is called duster, and duster is called chalk, then where does the teacher write in the classroom? You read the given options and find the answer. Our question is, where does the teacher write in the classroom? So the answer is blackboard. Blackboard is called duster. So the answer is C, duster. Next topic is mathematical reasoning 11. Study the number statements 1 and 2 below and answer the following question. 1. 1563 plus 345 equal to rectangle. 2. 2000 minus rectangle equal to oval. So the value of oval is dash and it is an dash number. So try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? So first we have to find this value. So if we add these two, we get this value. Then we have to subtract this value from 2000. Then we get this value. Okay. So if we add these two values, we get 1908. And if we subtract, we get 92. So the answer is 92 even. C is the answer. 12. A number is less than 47 but more than 40. It is divisible by 4. When added to 19, what will be the resulting number? You try to find out the answer. So to find out the answer, we have to do each statements. First, we check the first statement. Okay. A number is less than 47 but more than 40. Okay. It is divisible by 4. So the number is, which is the number divisible by 4? Between 40 and 47 is 44. The number is 44. So to find the number, first you write these numbers. Okay. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So in this, 44 is the only number divisible by 4. Okay. Then when added to 19, so we have to add 19. So the answer is D, 63. 13. Find the value of P. This is the given problem. You have to find P. How to find the value of P? It's a addition problem. So to find the value of P, so we have to check this condition also. Okay. And here 8 plus 2 is 10. But its value is 1 here. So here 1 carry over may come from this. Okay. So we get 11. So we put 1 here and the carry over 1 is here. So now its value is 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. So to find P, we subtract 4 from 8. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So this is the value of P. So the answer is A, 4. 14. What fraction of the given figure is unshaded? This is the given figure. You try to find out the answer. How to find this? And in this problem, no need to find the denominator value because all the denominator values are same. So we have to count only the unshaded parts. So if we count the unshaded parts, it's equal to 12. So 12 by 20 is the answer. So this is the unshaded part. Okay. 15. There are dash thousands in this number. Okay. You try to find out the answer. How to find this? So to find the answer, first you have to write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs. Okay. So our question is dash thousands. How many thousands? 64 thousands. So the answer is A, 64. So 6 in 10,000's place and 4 is in thousands place. So 64,000. 16. Which of the following options has the smallest value? You read the given options and try to find out the answer. So how to write this statement? 140 tens less than 6,000. So 6,000 minus 140 tens means 1400. Okay. So you subtract and find the value. Likewise 800s more than 10 hundreds. Okay. So 800s is 800 and more than 1000 means 1000. 1000. So you add. More means you have to add. Okay. Likewise you write the other two statements. So we get 4600 for A and 1800 for B and 867 for C and 4380 for D. So the smallest value is C. 867. 17. What would be the total cost of 5 lollipops and 5 candies? Rupees 5 each, rupees 1 each. You try to find out the answer. This is a very simple problem. We know cost of 1 lollipop is rupees 5. So cost of 5 lollipop, 5 into 5 is 25 rupees. And cost of 1 candy is rupees 1. So cost of 5 candy is 5 into 1 is 5. So we have to add these two values, 30. So the answer is rupees 30. B. 18. What is the weight of an apple? You look at the given picture and find the answer. And in the given picture, the weight of 3 apples are given. That is equal to 300 gram. So weight of 3 apples equal to 300 gram. So 1 apple equal to 300 divided 3. Okay. So we know 3 ones are 3. Then you write these two zeros. So weight of 1 apple is 100 gram. So the answer is A. 19. The given clocks show Mohit's sleeping and wake up time. How much time does he sleep? You look at the given clocks and try to find out the answer. So if you look at the clocks, sleep time is 10:30. Okay, 10:30, and wake up time is 6:15. So we have to find the duration between 10:30 and 6:15. So to find that, we subtract 10:30 from 12. Okay. So if we subtract, we get 1 hour 30 minutes. We add this 1 hour 30 minutes to 6:15. Okay. So we get 7:45. So 7 hours 45 minutes. So the answer is D. 20. Which thermometer shows 88 degree Fahrenheit? You look at the given thermometers and try to find out the answer. The answer is A. Here only the level is above 80 degree. In other 3 options, the level is below 80 degree. Okay. Next topic is Everyday Mathematics 21. Garima puts 154 marbles into each of her 20 boxes. She has 28 marbles left. How many marbles does she have all together? Try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? So first we have to multiply these two. Then you add this value to that answer. Okay. So first we have to multiply 154 and 20. So instead of 20, first I multiply 154 with 2. So I got 308. Okay. Then you put this 0 in ones place. Okay. So this is the value of 154 into 20. Then we add 28, we get 3108. So the answer is B, 3108. 22. 6 pens and 3 pencils cost rupees 42. If a pencil cost rupees 2, then how much does a pen cost? Try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? We know the cost of 6 pens and 3 pencils, and we know the cost of 1 pencil. So from this we can find the cost of 3 pencils. So 3 pencil cost is 3 into 2 equal to 6. Okay. 6 rupees is the 3 pencils cost. We know 6 pen plus 3 pencil equal to 42. So 6 pen equal to 42 minus 3 pencil cost. 3 pencil cost is 6 rupees. So 42 minus 6 is 36. So 6 pen cost is 36. Therefore 1 pen cost is 36 divided 6. So 6 6 are 36. So 1 pen cost is rupees 6A. 23. A toy shop has 150 cars and 101 trains. It has 45 more dolls than the number of cars and trains together. How many dolls does the shop have? Try to find out the answer. Here our question is, how many dolls does the shop have? So it has 45 more dolls than the number of cars and trains together. So first we have to add these two values. Okay. So 150 and 101 is 251. 45 more dolls means we have to add this 45. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus 4 is 9, 296 is the answer. So the answer is C, 296. 24. On 1st December, there were 1,275 tourists in Kerala. On 2nd December, 983 more tourists came in and 1,163 left for Goa. How many tourists were there in Kerala on 2nd December? Try to find out the answer. Our question is, how many tourists were there in Kerala on 2nd December? Okay. So on 2nd December, 983 more tourists came. So we have to add this value to this. Then 1163 left means we have to subtract this value from this result. Okay. So in 1st December, number of tourists in Kerala 1275. 2nd December 983. So we add, we get 2258. On 2nd December 1163 tourists left for Goa. So we subtract this value. So we get this. So this is the number of tourists or in Kerala on 2nd December. So 1095 is the answer. 25. A man buys 45 bananas for his monkeys every day. How many bananas does he buy in the month of September? This is the easiest problem. You try to find out the answer. How many days in September? 30 days. So per day 45 bananas. So for 30 days means 45 into 30. Okay. So if we multiply 45 and 30, we get 1350. So the answer is B. Rohan needs 315 earthen lamps to decorate his house. The lamps come in boxes of 15. How many boxes should he buy? Try to find out the answer. Which operation we have to use to find the answer? We have to use the division operation. So we have to divide 315 by 15. Okay. So in 31, 2 times 15. So 30, 15, 1 times 15, 0. So the answer is 21. So the answer is A, 21. 27. Neeta's doll costs rupees 243. Varun's remote controlled car costs 4 times as much as the doll. How much does Varun's car cost? Try to find out the answer. Which operation we have to use? And here this car costs 4 times as much as the doll. So 4 times means we have to multiply this 4 with 243. So 243 into 4 is our answer. So if we multiply, we get 972. So C is the answer. 28. My dog weighs 22 kilogram. Raj's dog is half as heavy as my dog. What is the weight of Raj's dog? You read the given options and try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? And here Raj's dog is half as heavy as my dog. Half means 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 of 22 means 1 by 2 into 22. That means 22 divided 2. That is equal to 11. So B is 11 kg. 29. A cow gives 4 liter 345 milliliter of milk on Wednesday and 3 liter 645 milliliter on Thursday. On which day did it give more milk and by how much? So here you have to answer two questions. Try to find out the answer. Our first question is, on which day did it give more milk? So if we compare these two values, this is the greatest value. So on Wednesday is our first answer. So this or this may be the answer. These two are wrong answer. And by how much means we have to subtract this value from this. So if we subtract, we get D as the answer. Okay. 30. Latika starts her piano and dance lesson at 3 p.m. A piano lesson takes 1 hour and a dance lesson takes 30 minutes. What time does she finish her lessons? So try to find out the answer. This is the simplest problem. They have given Latika starts her piano and dance lesson at 3 p.m. and a piano lesson takes 1 hour. So we have to add these two. 3 plus 1 is 4 p.m. Then dance lesson takes 30 minutes. You have to add this 30 minutes. So 4 hours 30 minutes. So 4 hours 30 minutes. C is the answer. Next topic is achiever section. 31. Study the diagram below. Each figure stands for a number. Okay. So this is the given figure and these two is equal to 24. These two is equal to 25. These two is equal to 16. These two is equal to 10. Find the value of this into this. So this is a very interesting problem. You try to find out the answer. You try to find out the relationship between these two. Okay. So to find the answer, first we will check these two. Okay. So there is some relationship between these two figures. We have to find out that first. They may use any one of the operation: addition, subtraction, division or multiplication. We have to find out that first. So we cannot select the division operation because a number divided by the same number always equal to 1. But these values are different. And we can't use the subtraction operation because a number subtracted from the same number is equal to 0. So here the values are not 0. So it may be addition or multiplication operation. Here they use the same symbol, so the values are same. So it may be even or odd number. Okay, so if we add any two odd numbers, for example 3 plus 3, we get even answer only, but here the answer is odd, so this must be a multiplication operation. Okay, so for which number we get 25? 5 5s are 25. And for 16, 4 4s are 16. So the value of plus is 5 and the value of the circle is 4. Okay. So to find this value, we have to substitute this value 4 and this is 5. So from this we have to find this and this value. So this is equal to 24 divided 4, that is equal to 4 6 are 24, and here this is equal to 10 divided 5, 5 2s are 10, so this is equal to 2. So this value is 6 and this value is 2. So 6 2s are 12. So C is the answer. 32. The weight of a marble is 5 grams. What is the minimum number of marbles needed to tip the scale below to the right? So try to find out the answer. And here, to tip the scale below to the right means this balance should be in lower side. So this weight should be more than this weight. But what is the minimum number of marbles? Okay. So to find that, we have to use the 5 tables because the weight of a marble is 5 grams. So which number is nearer to 28? At the same time, it should be greater than 28 and it should be multiple of 5. So the number is 30. 5, 6 are 30. So the answer is A, 6. 33. Read the clues below and help Tarun obtain his lucky 4-digit number PQRS. The digit P is the greatest odd digit. R is 4 less than P. Q is 7 less than P. S has the value 9 tenths minus 90 ones. You try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, first we check this statement, okay? The digit P is the greatest odd digit number. Greatest odd digit number is 9. So this is P, PQRS. So all are 9, okay? Next I am going to find the value of Q, that is second digit, okay? Q is 7 less than P. P is 9. 7 less than means minus 7. So 9 minus 7 is 2. So the second digit is 2. So here it has 2. Here it's not 2. So wrong. Not 2. Wrong. Not 2. Wrong. So the correct answer is A. 34. If addition of 4 star equal to 24, this and this equal to 18 and this minus this equal to 6, then this equal to what? Try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? So we know 4 star equal to 24. So we can find 1 star value. Then you substitute 1 star value here. Then you find this value. So now we know this value. So from this statement you can find this value. Okay. So we know 4 star equal to 24. So 1 star equal to 24 divided 4 equal to 6. 6 4s are 24. So you substitute 6 here. So this is equal to 18 divided 6. So 6 3s are 18. So the value of this one is 3. You substitute this value here. So this value is equal to 6 plus 3. That is equal to 9. So the answer is A, 9. 35. Because it does fewer jellies than Aisha. So you look at the given flow chart. Each symbol stands for 5 jellies. We try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we have to compare Because and Aisha. Because and Aisha. So our statement is Vikas ate does fewer jellies than Aisha. So we have to do the subtraction operation. So this is Vikas and this is Aisha. So you remove these jellies from Aisha up to this. So the remaining are only 2. That means you subtract this number from this one. How many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 minus 5 is 2. So this 2. Okay. So now this symbol stands for 5. So 2 into 5 is 10. So the answer is C, 10. So my dear students, today we have completed 2014 Set A IMO question paper for class 3 students. If you have any doubts, you please write it in the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.